Hey gardeners! Today I will show you how to grow a date palm from a pit out of a date that you can buy at your local grocery store. If you haven't met yet, I'm Stefan, the guy with a weird German accent.
Today we are planting date palms. You can just get normal dates from your grocery store and seed the pits. I prefer to sprout my date palms in an old date box. Therefore I just use a piece of paper towel, put the pits in, like so, and then just add another piece of paper towel on top, and then just take some water and sprinkle it a little bit so it gets moist. Then I put another down, and that's it. So you should check every second day if it's moist enough and if there's no mold buildup. In case there is some mold, you can rinse it off. Just use new paper towel and then wait until they're sprouting. I'm using normal soda cups as a container. Just drill a hole, or here even throw tiny holes inside. And then
I use a palm, cactus and citrus soil mix because it's better for drainage.
Take one of the sprouts, or the sprout pits, put it in the dirt, like so. Just cover it a little bit. And then you just have to add some water and you're ready to go. If everything works out, this should be the result in a few weeks. Happy growing!
If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See you next time. Happy gardening!